Now let us start ICSE class 10th mathematics factor theorem factorization exercise 7 chapter 7 from question number 5 and onward. You see, use the factor theorem. You see, the fx is given, that is x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6, and gx is x minus 3. Here we have to first method, that is by simple division method. You see, I have written the dividend, that is x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6, and divisor x minus 3. First of all, you take the quotient x square, multiply x minus 3, you will get x cube minus 3x square. Now change the sign for subtraction, and ultimately this x cube and minus x cube will be cancelled. So we are left with 3x square plus 11x minus 6. Now in order to get minus 3x square, you just put minus 3x in the quotient and get multiplied to x minus 3. You will get minus 3x square plus 9x. Now change the sign and subtract it. You will get here, that will be equal to 2x minus 6, and again now take the quotient 2 and multiply to x minus 3. Here you will get 2x minus 6. Now change the sign and subtract, you will get the remainder 0. It means that x minus 3 is a factor of given expression. Second method is that put x minus 3 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 3. Now substitute the value of x in the given expression. Write down 3 raised to power 3 minus 6 into 3 raised to power 2 plus 11 into 3 minus 6. Now solve it. 3 cube of 3 will be 27, and 6 into 9, that will be 54. 11 into 3, that is 33 minus 6. Solve it. You will get 60 minus 60, that will be again equal to 0. It indicates that the gx is a factor of given expression. This is the second method. Third method, if x minus 3 is a factor, write down first of all 3, because the degree of this expression is 3. So first of all you write down x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3. How many times? You have to write 3 times. Now in order to get x cube, you just put x square before the bracket of x minus 3, first one. So later on you will get minus 3x square. After opening the first bracket, you will get minus 3x square also. But we have to get minus 6x square. So in order to get to minus 6, you just to multiply minus 3x to x minus 3. Here you will get minus 3x square. So when you add it, you will get minus 6x square. Now you multiply this minus 3x to minus 3, you will get plus 9x, and again in order to get 11x, what you do, you have got 9x already, so multiply it, add it to x. You see, multiply this x minus 3, the third factor, that is twice of x minus 3. So you take out x minus 3 common, you will get x square minus 3x plus 2. Again the x minus 3, x minus 2 and x minus 1, these are the 3 factors of the given expression. Hence it proves that x minus 3 is one of the factor. Now the fourth method, you can say, here by Newton method, I have to detach the coefficient of x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Here I have brought it. You see, 1 minus 6 11 minus 6. Now x minus 3 equal to 0. So x will be equal to 3. Put down on the left hand side of this expression. You see, first of all you put 0 and add it. You will get 1. Now multiply 3 to 1 and put it here just below to minus 6 and add it. You will get minus 3. Again you multiply 3 and minus 3. That will be the minus 9. You just place it under 11. You will get 2. And now 2 to multiply 2 to 3. So the result will be 6. Now place it here. You will get 1. On adding you will get 0. This place is for the remainder. So the remainder is now 0. It means that x minus 3 is one of the factor. So quotient will be x square minus 3x plus 2. This will be the quotient and remainder will be 0. Yes, it is a factor. Now proceed to the second part, that fx is given, that is twice x cube minus 9x square plus x plus 12. Here the gx is x plus 1. By inspection, you see x plus 1. By inspection, sum of the coefficient of odd power of x. Sum of the coefficient of odd power of x means, you see the odd power is x cube and here x. So the sum of the coefficient means 2 plus 1, that is 3. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now sum of the coefficient of the rest term means, leaving the odd power, you have to add the coefficient of rest of the term, that is minus 9 plus 12. Here I have written minus 9 plus 12. So we are saying that we are getting that left hand side, that is 3, on the right hand side also 3. Yes, gx is a factor of the fx. This is the one of the method. By inspection you can tell in a very short time. Now the second procedure, I have here described the complete division method, simple division method, as you are very much familiar to it. Now x plus 1 is a divisor. Take the 2x square as a coefficient, as a quotient. Multiply it, you will get 2x cube. 2x cube. Again you multiply to 1, then 2x square. Now for subtraction, change the sign and subtract it accordingly. You will get minus 11x square plus x plus 12. Now, in order to get minus 11x square, you take a quotient minus 11x. Here, minus 11x will be multiplied to x plus 1. You will get a minus 11x square minus 11x. Now change the sign and subtract it. Sorry. You will get 12x plus 12. Now in quotient you place 12 here. So multiply 12 to x plus 1. You will get here 12x plus 12. Now change the sign and subtract it. The remainder will be 0 here. It means that x plus 1 is one of the factor. Now for the third method, which I have told you that the degree is 3. So you have to write down first of all x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1 3 times. Now in order to get the dividend, what you do, that you have to see, put 2x square, so that on multiplying you will get 2x cube. Side by side you will get 2x square also, 2x square, but here in the dividend minus 9x square is there. So you have got here plus 2x square. So in order to get minus 9x square, what you do, that you put minus 11x. While you multiply to it, you will get to minus 11x square and plus 2x square. Ultimately you will get minus 9x square. Now minus 11x will be multiplied to 1. So you will get minus 11x, but you have to get only there is x only in the given expression. So in order to neutralize this 11x so that you can get only x, so multiply this bracket by plus 12. So as soon as you multiply it, you will get 12x and minus 11x. Solving it, you will get x, and multiply this 12 to 1, you will get 12. So x plus 1, you take out the x plus 1 common. Now we are left with 2x square minus 11x plus 12. Now you can factorize this. You see 12 to the 24. 12 to the 24. So here we have to split. You see 12 to the 24. Now you see we have to split this. So in order to get, so ultimately you will get the factors like this: x plus 1, x minus 4, 2x minus 3. So ultimately you will get here, now you see, the first, second, third method I have described. Now the fourth method, you see, that is the Newton method, which I told you earlier also, is detach the coefficient of the given expression. So you here 2 minus 9 plus 1, 12 here, and x plus 1 will be equal to 0, so x will be equal to minus 1. Now first of all you put 0 below 2 and add it, you will get 2. Now minus 1 will be multiplied to 1, minus 1 will be multiplied to 2, you will get minus 2. Now add minus 9 and minus 2, you will get minus 11. Again you multiply this minus 1 to minus 11, you will get 11 only. So 11 plus 1, that will be 12. So again you multiply this minus 1 to 12, you will get minus 12. On adding it, you will get 0. This part will indicate the remainder. So the remainder is now 0. What will be the quotient? You see, the 2x square, 1 degree less. So this will be the coefficient. So 2x square minus 11x plus 12. You see, this was the also quotient in that simple division method also. So you will get 2x square minus 11x plus 12. Again you can, if you just put x minus 4 is one of the factor, so x will be equal to 4. Now take out the coefficient here. So 2 minus 11 plus 12. So put 0 here. Now 4 to the 8, place here 8. And now add it, you will get minus 3. Now 4 into minus 3, you will get minus 12. So remainder is again 0. So it means that x minus 4 is also one of the factor. The quotient will be 2x minus 3. So ultimately we are getting the three factors, that is x plus 1, x minus 4 and 2x minus 3. Hence, the gx is a factor of fx. Any one method which you can feel very convenient to yourself, you can use that method in order to justify that gx is one of the factor of the given expression. Now, third part of question number 5, you see the fx is given here. Fx is equal to 7x square minus 2 root 8x minus 6. And gx is given, that is x minus root 2. So x minus root 2 will be equal to 0. So put x is equal to root 2. This is one of the method. You see here, I have substituted the value in place of x. I have placed in place of x, I have placed root 2. So root 2 whole square minus 2 under root 8 root 2 minus x. You see, the root 2 I have placed in place of x. So, you see, solve it, you will get square of root 2 will be the 2, so 7 to the 14 you will get. Here it will be equal to 2, you see the root 8 is given, that is it will be equal to 2 root 2, means 4 into 2. So the square root of 4 is 2, so 2 is root 2, and 2 will be multiplied to 2, that will become 4. 4 root 2. Now minus 6 here. So multiply all these things, you will get 14 minus 8 minus 6. Again it is 0. So once after substituting the value x is equal to root 2, we got that complete expression become to 0. Therefore, yes, gx is a factor. Now by simple division method, you see, this is the second method I have going to tell you. Just simply divide it. The dividend is 7x square minus 2 root 8x minus 6. You see, take 7x as a quotient. So multiply it, you will get 7x square minus 7 root 2x. And now change the sign and subtract it accordingly. You will get 3 root 2x. 3 root 2x minus 6. You see, on the top it is mentioned that minus 2 root 8. Here I have been elaborated it. Minus 2 root 8 means minus 2 under root 4 into 2. Take out the square root of 4, that is 2 root 2, that will be equal to 4 minus 4 root 2. So you have to just consider it. It is minus 4 root 2x. Below it we have got 7 root 2x. So on adding it you will get 3 root 2x minus 6. Now multiply, take the quotient 3 root 2. 3 root 2 will be multiplied to x minus root 2. You will get here 3 root 2x minus 6. Now subtract it by after changing the sign. You will get the complete remainder will be equal to 0. Yes, gx is a factor as the remainder is 0. The third method I have also described here again. You see, x is equal to root 2. X is equal to root 2. Now, you see, I have written the coefficient. First of all, the 7 minus 2 root 8. So, I have written minus 2 root 8 minus 6. Again, I have written, you see, 7 in place of minus 2 root 8, I have written minus 4 root 2 minus 6. I have described also how it has come here. Here I have written straightway. So x is equal to root 2. Now simple division. Here also you will just put 0 and add it. You will get 7 here. Now root 2 will be multiplied to 7. Place it here. 7 root 2. Now add it, you will get 3 root 2. Once 3 root 2 will be multiplied to root 2, you will get 6. Now substitute the 6 here, place it 6 below minus 6 and add it, you will get 0. Remainder is 0. It means that x minus root 2 is one of the factor. Now proceed to the fourth part of the question, that is fx is 3x raised to power 3 plus x square minus 20x plus 12. Here the gx is 3x minus 2. Now you see the 3x minus 2 is the divisor and the quotient is, dividend is given, that is 3x cube plus x square minus 20x plus 12. Now divide it, take x square as a quotient, multiply the x square to 3x, you will get 3x cube. Again multiply the x square minus 2, you will get minus 2x square. Now change the sign and subtract it accordingly. Now here you will get 3x square minus 20x plus 12. So in order to get minus 3x square, what you do, that take x as a quotient and multiply it to 3x minus 2. You will get 3x square minus 2x. Now change the sign and subtract it. See here, it will be minus 18x plus 12. So in order to get minus 18x, what you do, that you take minus 6 as a quotient and multiply this to 3x minus 2. You will get here minus 18x plus 12. So minus 18x plus 12. Now subtract it, you will get the remainder 0. So it is the first method, that is very simple division method is there. Second method, what I have done, that you see 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, therefore the x will be equal to 2 by 3. Now substitute the value of x, that is x is equal to 2 by 3 in the given expression. You see here I have placed it, 3 into 2 by 3 whole raised to power 3 plus 2 by 3 whole raised to power 2 minus 20 in bracket 2 root 2 by 3 plus 12. So it will be 8 by 9, it will be 4 by 9, this will be 40 by 3 plus 12. Now solve this fractional part, you will get, after solving you will get minus 108 by 9, and you further solve it, you will get minus 12 and plus 12, that is equal to 0. It means that the given gx factor is a factor of the given expression, that is fx. Now the third method, you just write down 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2 3 times, because the degree of the given expression is 3. So we have to write the given expression, that is 3x minus 2 3 times. Now accordingly you have to select. So the x square here, place plus x minus 6 in order to get back the complete given expression. So take out 3x minus 2 common and we are left with x square plus x minus 6. This x square plus x minus 6 can also be factorized. That is, you see the last is negative, minus 6, that is minus 6 is negative. So while you are splitting the middle part, you have to see that lesser should be negative. Because the last is negative, the lesser should be negative. Means either, you see there are the two chances, that is 3 and 2, 3 to the 6. So one should be negative and one should be positive in order to get minus 6. So which will be the negative? The lesser will be negative. Last is negative, lesser negative. So x plus 3 into x minus 2. These are the other two factors, and this also justifies that given expression gx is also a factor of the given expression fx. Now the fourth method, you can see, fourth method, that is by the Newton method, detach the coefficient of the fx. You will get 3, 1, minus 20, 12. Now place 0 below it and x is equal to 2 by 3. So multiply 2 by 3 to 3, you will get 2. Multiply 2 by 3 to 3, you will get 2. Now add it, you will get again 3 here. On adding 1 and 2, you will get 3 here. Again multiply 2 by 3 to this, you will get 2. Now add it, minus 20 plus 2, that will be minus 18. Now multiply this minus 18 to 2 by 3, you will get minus 12. Now add it, you will get 0. It means the remainder is 0. As soon as you are getting the remainder 0, it indicates that the given expression, that is 3x minus 2, is one of the factor of the given expression fx. Now in order to get complete form of the quotient here, what will help to do that, we have to multiply 1 by 3, means the fractional part, denominator portion, we have to multiply it. You see, 1 by 3 into 3, that will be 1. 1 by 3 into 3, then you will get 1. Minus 18 by 3, you will get minus 6. So our quotient will be x square plus x minus 6. In all the above cases, it has been proved that gx is a factor of fx. Now proceed to the question number 6. The question number 6 states that find the value of a if x cube plus ax plus 2a minus 2 is exactly divisible by x plus 1. You see, x plus 1. Again, I am just telling you that x cube plus ax plus 2a minus 2, find the value of a if it is exactly divisible by x plus 1. You see, by inspection method, sum of the coefficient of odd power of x. Again I repeating, sum of the coefficient of odd power of x should be equal to the sum of the coefficient of rest term. Means here, you see, the coefficient of x cube, because it is a power is 3, that 3 is odd number. So it will be 1 plus a. Is the coefficient of x is a. Sorry, coefficient of x is a and its power is 1. That is also odd power. So 1 plus a should be equal to 2a minus 2. You see, the 2a minus 2. So solve it, you will get a is equal to 3. This is the answer. But it is very simple method. If you have understood fully, then it is more convenient to do it. But if you have not followed it, please proceed to the second method. Put x plus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 1. Now put x equal to minus 1 in the above expression. If it comes to 0, it means now substitute minus 1 raised to power minus 3 plus a into minus 1, 2, a minus 2 should be equal to 0. Now you see here, it will be minus 1, minus a, 2a, minus 2. So after solving, you will get a is equal to 3 again. In this case also, here it was already proved that a is equal to 3, a is equal to 3. Now third method, by simple division method. As you are very much familiar from your 6th and 7th class, you see x plus 1 is a divisor and dividend is x cube plus ax plus 2a minus 2. So divide it, you see, take the x square as a quotient, multiply 2x, you will get x cube. Again x square will be multiplied to plus 1, you will get x square. Now subtract it, you will get minus x square plus ax plus 2a minus 2. Now take minus x as a quotient and multiply it. You will get minus x square minus x. Now change the sign and subtract it. So you will get here a plus 1, a plus 1x plus 2a minus 2. Now taking the quotient as a plus 1, again here multiply a plus 1 to the x plus 1, you will get a plus 1x plus a plus 1. Now change the sign. Once you will change the sign, you will get 2a minus a, that will be a, and minus 2 and minus 1, that will be minus 3. So this remainder must be 0 because it is already given that given factor gx is equal to gs is a factor or x plus 1 is factor. It is already given, so therefore the remainder should be equal to 0. That is why I have placed a minus 3 equal to 0. So a will be equal to 3. Now the fourth method, that is the Newton method. Now detach the coefficient. You see, first of all you have to write it in the descending order. You see, x cube plus 0x square plus ax plus 2a minus 2. Now detach the coefficient here. 1, 0, a, 2a minus 2. Now x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 1. Now put 0 from your side and add it, you will get 1. Here multiply minus 1 to 1, you will get minus 1. Place it. So 0 plus minus 1 will be equal to minus 1. Again minus 1 will be multiplied to minus 1, you will get 1. So after adding it, you will get a plus 1. This a plus 1 will be multiplied by minus 1 again, and that will be placed here. That is minus a minus 1. So on adding it, you will get a minus 3. So remainder must be 0. Here the remainder is a minus 3. Therefore the quotient is x square minus x plus a plus 1. Remainder a minus 3 is equal to 0. So therefore the a is equal to 3. This is the answer. Now proceed to the question number 7. The question number 7 states that find the value of a and b so that the expression x cube plus 10x square plus ax plus b is exactly divisible by x minus 1 as well as x minus 2. Means there are the two factors which are dividing the given expression, that is x minus 1 and x plus x minus 2. Here you see question number 7. X cube plus 10x square plus ax plus b is divisible by x minus 1 and x minus 2. Find the value of a and b. If any expression is divisible by x minus 1, it implies that, or it indicates that the sum of the coefficient of all terms equal to 0. As soon as you are aware about this, that x minus 1 is a factor of the given expression, it means the coefficient, sum of the coefficient of all terms must be equal to 0. So that is why I have written here, you see, 1 plus 10 plus a plus b equal to 0. It indicates that a plus b is equal to minus 11. That is the first equation. The given expression is also divisible by x minus 2. Then put x is equal to 2 in the given expression. In place of x we get here, you see, 2 raised to power 3 plus 10 into 2 raised to power 2 plus 2a plus b equal to 0. Solve it, you will get 2a plus b is equal to minus 48. This will be the second equation. Now subtract first, means subtract this from second. Now subtract first from the second, we get 2a plus b bracket closed minus a plus b equal to minus 48 minus inside the bracket minus 11. So it will become plus 11. So a will be equal to minus 37. Now substituting the value of a in a1 in the first equation, we get b minus 37 is equal to minus 11. It implies that the b is equal to 37 minus 11, that will be equal to 26. So we got the answer that A is equal to minus 37 and B is equal to 26. Now proceed to the question number 8. Question number 8 states that if x minus 2 is a factor of x square plus ax minus 6 is equal to 0 and x square minus 9x plus b equal to 0. Find the value of a and b. I read the question again. If x minus 2 is a factor of x square plus ax minus 6 equal to 0 and x square minus 9x plus b equal to 0, find the value of a and b. You see here, x minus 2 is a factor for x square plus ax minus 6 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is a factor of x square minus 9x plus b equal to 0. So x minus 2 is equal to 0, so therefore the x is equal to 2. Now substitute x is equal to 2 in both the equation. These are the two equations given. In both the equations you just substitute the value of x, that is 2. We got in the first one, that is 2 raised to power 2 means 2 square plus 2a minus 6 equal to 0. So 2a is equal to 2. Therefore the a is equal to 1. This will be the one answer. In the second case, 2 raised to power 2 minus 9 into 2 is x square minus 9x plus b equal to 0. So in place of this x square I have written 2 square minus 9 into 2 plus b equal to 0. So we will get b is equal to 14. This will be the second answer of the question number 8. Now proceed to question number 9. X minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are the factors of px square plus q 5x plus r. So that we have to prove it that p is equal to r. I read the question again. You see, x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are the factors of px square plus 5x plus r. So that p is equal to r. Now x minus 2 is equal to 0, x will be equal to 2. Now substitute the value. In place of x you write down 2. So p into 2 raised to power 2 plus 5 into 2 plus r is equal to 0. So this equation can be further reduced to 4p plus r is equal to minus 10. This will be our first equation. Now once we substitute x is equal to minus 1 by 2 is a factor, that is y equal to 0. So x will be equal to 1 by 2. Now substitute the value of x, that is x is equal to 1 by 2 in the given expression, that is p inside the bracket 1 by 2 whole raised to power 2 plus 5 into 1 by 2 plus r equal to 0. So solve it, you will get p by 4 plus p by 5 by 2 plus r equal to 0. You see, p plus 4r will be equal to minus 10. You can solve it. You will get, after just multiplying each factor by each term by 4, you will get p plus 4r equal to minus 10. So now compare these two. You see the right hand side, there is minus 10 minus 10. It means the left hand side should also be equal. So that is why from first and second, 4p plus r equal to P plus 4R. P plus 4R. Now equate it, you will get 3P equal to 3R. Now P is equal to R. Hence it is proved. The given statement, that is P is equal to R. Now it is proved now. Now question number 10. Question number 10. If x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 6 has x minus 2 as a factor and leaves a remainder 3 when divided by x minus 3. Find the value of a and b. I read again question. If x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 6 has x minus 2 as a factor and leaves a remainder 3 when divided by x minus 3, find the value of a and b. Now you see, x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 6 has x minus 2, a factor, therefore x minus 2 is equal to 0, so x will be equal to 2. Now substitute the value. It is already given that x minus 2 is a factor. So on substituting this value x, we should equate it equal to 0. So now 2 raised to power 3 plus a into 2 raised to power 2 plus twice b plus 6 equal to 0. Solve it. You will get 4a plus 2b. You see, 4a plus 2b plus 14 equal to 0. So solve it, you will get 2a plus b is equal to minus 7. Now x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 6, when it is divided by x minus 3, gives the remainder 3. So x minus 3 equal to 0, x will be equal to 3. Now substitute the value of x is equal to 3 in the given expression or equation, you can say. 3 raised to power 3 plus a into 3 raised to power 2 plus 3b plus 6 should be equal to 3. So 9a plus 3b plus 33 equal to 3. So again divide the complete equation by 3. We will get 3a plus b plus 11 equal to 1. So 3a plus b is equal to minus 10. This will be your second equation. Now subtract first from the second. We have 3a plus b minus 2a plus b is equal to minus 10 inside the bracket minus, again bracket is there, minus 7. So solve it, you will get a is equal to minus 3. Now put a is equal to minus 3 in the first. We get 2 into minus 3 plus b equal to minus 7. So b will be equal to minus 7 plus 6, that is equal to minus 1. Hence the answer is a is equal to minus 3 and b is equal to minus 1. This will be the answer.